Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I would like to share about
Understanding blue light, its effect on sleep and how to minimize it. Did you know that blue light from screens can mess with your sleep? Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime, reducing melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep. This can lead to restless nights and groggy mornings. The good news? You can minimize its effects by using blue light filters, turning off screens an hour before bed, or even wearing blue light blocking glasses. Your body will thank you for it. For better sleep, try swapping screen time for a calming bedtime routine, like reading a book or listening to soothing music. These simple steps can help you sleep like a baby.
Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more health tips.